Hey Grub Gang, well, wow, how time flies. I feel like these days, the end of the year comes faster and faster. During this time, I like to really reflect, on the year I've had and the year ahead. It's been, a roller coaster of the year. I had some really big events, one of them being Unbound. And then my other two other events were the Gravel World and Rebecca's Private Idaho. When it comes to highlights, I would say completing Unbound 200 was at the top of my list of things to do. Actually, it was my number one must-do event. I was like, I need to do this one, and I need to complete it. No sacrifice, no victory. Anyway, I was, it's 200 miles. I finished, and that was, cross off the books. And then, there came Gravel Worlds. This is my second year of doing a Gravel World. That's a 150 miler. This happened to be the hilliest year on record. Super dry, super windy, super hilly. 11,000 plus feet of climbing in about 150 miles. So they, take it as you like. And then I want to say one of my most fun events was RPI, Rebecca's Private Idaho. The Queen Stage Race. It goes by a few names. That was a multi-day stage race, 3 days of just epic riding, at altitude. I'm Iowa. I think I sit pretty high here at about, 620 feet above sea level. So definitely sea level lungs. That was really a fun event, a single track, and so that really invigorated me and re-energized me, and to focus, to really pay some attention to the mountain biking world. So I do have, some big plans coming up. You have to stay tuned for those. They will involve a mountain bike in some sort. So definitely, stick around, subscribe so that you can come along with me on this ride coming up in 2023 and beyond. I want to thank you again, all of you that are watching the channel, subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing the channel. It really, means a lot to me. It really makes me feel that you appreciate the content that I'm making. And I was like, well, they love it. Let's keep bringing it out. So I definitely, want to have more adventures to share with you guys, and hopefully I can inspire you guys to go out there and chat at your own events. Until then, you can watch this guy suffering on those gravel roads. And I want to wish you a good end of the year and a prosperous new year coming up. We will see you in the next one.